All right, so this one is pretty mind-blowing. It's being able to take information where you may or may not have a latitude or longitude or an address and be able to still place it on a map. Google My Maps does that by using the place names, and it'll try and get as close to possible if something's already listed in Google Maps. I'll show you what that means. So I've got on the left-hand side, I got a map. On the right-hand side, I've got the top 5 hiking trails in the area of Eagle County, Colorado, right? So if I go to the map and I go to import this top 5 hiking trails spreadsheet, I'm going to get the normal prompt for what do you use to plot the places on the map. And in this case, I don't have an address or anything, but I've got the trailhead names. I'm going to click continue to select using the trail name as the location. Then I'm also going to use trail name as the name for which we're plotting it. So what Google's going to do is go check that against the list of Google places that are there, and it's going to attempt to put those on a map. This doesn't work with a ton of specificity, a ton of reliability, but it'll get quite close in a lot of places. All right, so now I've got them listed, and you can tell in the spreadsheet that I also had a rating from 1 through 5. How could I put that information in here to kind of convey like a heat map or a way of using color to be able to say which is greatest, right? So we do that by, since we've already imported it and the sheet information has the rating, we're going to click on individual styles and we're going to change that. And we're going to select style by data column, and we're going to choose the column for rating. And in this case, I'm just going to pick a range, and I'm going to go up to 5, and I'm going to select a color of red, lightest to darkest, right? So if you can see now, it's taken all of those locations, and it has now ordered those by color so that you can actually see them. So that's pretty crazy. All right, hope that helps.